How to add multiple photos on your Facebook story. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add multiple photos on your Facebook story. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. In order to add multiple pictures on a Facebook story, first you can simply go ahead and open up Facebook. Then you want to tap on the create story option on the screen, and from here you can either directly select multiple, and you can select multiple pictures here, and then you can tap on next and you can upload it as either the photo collage or separate stories. However, in order to add according to you wish, you can also, what you can do is tap on create story, then select the picture. Right, once you select this story, tap on stickers option, then you can see the gallery icon there. You can tap on it and then you can choose another picture, then you can reframe it elsewhere. However, make sure that you do it if you want to do it like this, and this way you can add any other pictures as well, and you can set it according to your wish, or you can upload it directly from the select multiple options. So this is how you can upload multiple story or multiple pictures on your Facebook story. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.